Here I have 1.5 pounds of ground beef. I'm going to brown that up with a little onion powder, garlic powder, and paprika. Of course, don't forget a little bit of salt and pepper because we want to layer those flavors. And let's go ahead and add those veggies. We have onions, celery, garlic, and carrots. Let's stir that up and let it cook until those veggies get soft. You don't have to wait until the ground beef is browned all the way. I like to keep it a little pink before I add my veggies. Let's add our chicken broth, our diced tomatoes, tomato sauce, and some kidney beans, along with some salt, pepper, red pepper flakes, and Italian seasoning. And you can add a little sugar to help balance out that acidity from the tomatoes. I just add that all in. Of course, just to let you know, you can use chicken broth, veggie broth, or a beef broth. I actually, in this case, mix beef broth and chicken broth. And you also don't have to drain your ground beef. Repeat after me, fat is flavor. So we want to keep that flavor in. Of course, if you have a high fat content ground beef, you may want to drain it just a little, but you want to keep that fat to saute those veggies in. I'm going to cover my pot and cook it for an hour to an hour and a half until my veggies are nice and soft. Then I'm going to add my cabbage because now we're coming to the end. And this just all depends on what type of texture you like. I typically like a harder cabbage, so I cook mine for an additional 30 minutes. But if you like it softer, you can cook it longer. Now at this point, you also want to taste that broth because it's at this time that you may want to add a little more salt, a little more pepper. If you like it a little spicier, add a little bit more red pepper. And now you can see the finished results. Isn't that beautiful? It is a tasty soup, perfect for springtime. Make you some nice crusty bread or cornbread to go with this soup. That is all that's needed for your spring dinner meal. Now this video was going to be a short, so forgive the format. The recipe will be down in the description. So you have to try this. So take care.